Hey you guys, so I'm back with another hair video. As you know, I have locks. I just actually passed my 2-year lock anniversary, so I just wanted to switch it up and do something different. These are perm rod curls, so I just wanted to show y'all how I do the perm rods, how long I leave it in, how it came out after I finished, and just give y'all all the good details. I'll also show you the size rod that I used. And yeah, I actually love how this came out. This is day 3 of me having them, and I love it. They've started to, like, you know, drop a little bit and frame my face. When I first took them out, they were a little bit crazy, but as the days have gone by, I like it, and I have just been doing different styles with it. I'll post some pictures at the end of the video of just how I've been styling it and how they've been looking and all that good stuff. Also, if you have watched my latest video that I posted, you'll know that I dyed my hair, and so I just feel like the color is really popping on these curls. And I did like a reverse ombre, so like the top light and then the bottom I just kind of left darker, the color that it was. So I definitely love this look. I think it's so cute and you can do so much with it. So I just want to share with y'all how to achieve this look. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have a few left. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So I've done all of these so far. Let me do a little spin. And I'm using these. I just got them from a beauty supply store. White rods. I will call these like medium. They're not too skinny, but I don't like the fat ones, so hopefully these come out good. But yeah, they were $1 each. I got 6 12 packs, so it's a little bit more than I need. But I'm gonna be using this for my edges. I use this all the time on me and my daughter, and it's the best. It is the best. And then I'm also gonna be using this. I'm almost out, but yeah, I got it online. I'm gonna be needing to get some more soon, but it's just like some foam. It'll help the curls set. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do them, and I wanted to get the front so that I could like actually like, you know, do my edges and stuff. But I'm gonna start with this one back here, put these to the side. I have my spray bottle, which is just water, black Jamaican castor oil, and another oil that I can't think of right now. But yeah, just a mix of water and oil, and I just spray it a little bit. I just go ahead and spray all of them just to get it a little damp, not dripping wet, but just moist, because I'm only going to leave these in overnight. So just want them a little damp. If you make them too wet, then it won't be dry by the time you want to take them out. So I'm gonna get this one, get a little bit of foam. Don't really need a lot of that either. Like I said, you don't want it too wet. And so you just take your rod, and you're gonna want this part to be at the bottom so that you can just hook it easily and unhook it and then untwirl it. Okay. So how I do it is you just start at the bottom, wrap it, tuck it really, and then wrap over it so that it stays in place, and then keep wrapping. Let each part meet each other. You just wrap it all the way up. Don't overlap it, just lay it next to each other and get all the way to the root. And close it. And there you go. I'm gonna actually part it probably in the middle like this, so that's how I'm gonna do it. And this one's in the back as well, so get a little bit more foam. Just do it again. So try to let y'all see, get it, place it, and then just start going over it and then go next to it. All the way up to the root. I don't know why I started so far down, but it's fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish these. I have 2 more left. Then I'm gonna do my edges. I'll probably lay it down, but I'm gonna show y'all one more time how I do it. Okay, so since I'm on my edges, I'm just gonna like change the way they are so they'll be more hanging like this versus just like that, if that makes sense. Spray it one more time. This is when this is gonna come in handy because I gotta do my edges. And by do my edges, I just mean kind of make this slick. So just add a little bit. I don't do anything fancy, I just, you know, try to make it look a little clean, like that. Okay, yeah. And add a little bit of foam down the lock. We're just gonna do the same thing as before. Start at the end, and then just start wrapping it over. My daughter woke up, so she's just sitting on the couch next to me, looking at me like, yep, there she goes. Looking at me like, who are you talking to? I'm gonna do this side. Just add a little bit of hair wax. She's trying to be in my video, y'all. She gonna steal my spotlight. But yeah, this is like very easy. I don't know why I've never done it. I've never done this on my locks. Like, I just haven't. I really don't do styles a lot just because I'm pretty much at home, so I don't know. I just never have the urge to just sit and do it. But it is a holiday. Feast of Dedications is almost over, and I'm just gonna be cooking dinner tomorrow. So, you know, I just wanna look cute, dress up. And so if y'all can tell, I'm trying to just like make it more going back this way. I'm gonna do the same with that and just have it.
just want to make sure that y'all can see. No, ma'am. Okay. One last time. Just gonna wrap it around. Then go over it and just go up like that.
Then you just secure it. And yeah, there we have it. Just gonna give y'all one more little spin. I look so funny. Like, you would not think my locks were, wow, these actually look pretty good, if I must say so for myself. Like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna start doing other people's locks because, yeah, like, if I'm not gonna be going anywhere, I can at least do other people's hair so that when they go somewhere, they can look good. But yeah, I would definitely say if you have locks, buy this. Last time I went to the store, like the beauty supply store, they were sold out. So clearly people are becoming hip to this product. But yes, I hope I got every single one of them. I'm pretty sure I did. I must have just miscounted. But yeah, I will record in the morning when I take them out, like the results and what they look like, and we'll just hope that they dry all the way. Yeah, that was pretty easy. I took plenty breaks. I started when both of my daughters were up. My oldest is asleep now. My youngest just woke up recently, so it's just hasn't been, I didn't do it straight through, but I would say it probably would take an hour max if I just went in real quick, maybe even 30 minutes. But yeah, so she's trying to mess up my stand. So on that note, I will see you guys in the morning to show you all the results. Okay, so I'm back. It is now morning and I'm ready to take these out. I just got some oil, put it on my hands and just kind of rubbed it on the outside a little bit. But yeah, let's see. They feel dry, but let's see. Okay, so, and this is why you wanted to put them on with the click top part on top, the click part on top, because then you can just unhook it and then just like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all, this is my first time doing it, so like, of course I'm gonna be lit. Okay, little bouncy. So I'm just gonna go through and undo these really quick. Okay, so I'm down to the last few and I'm just gonna show y'all again. So you're just going to, like unwrap it. unwrap it. Unwrap it. This probably literally took me like 10 minutes, if that. And then just gonna configure them to how I want. I just kind of messed that one up. Y'all look like Annie, that girl with the red hair who has the curls. I can't. And this is why I waited as long as I did, because obviously they're kind of short. Next time I probably put them like farther down on my hair so that way they'll hang. But I like how they came out. I do. I'm just gonna maybe like pin it back or something, or I don't know. I'm gonna make it work. But this goes crazy, the little bounce. I like it. I just gotta figure out how to work it with my face. But yeah, I'm gonna post pictures of how I get it figured out. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do a perm rod set on Locs. Over the next few days, they should drop. So they're gonna look different. They're just really tight because of how tight I won them around the rod. But as the days go by, they'll drop and they'll get a little bit longer and start looking a little different. So yeah, like I said, I'll post some pictures of how they start looking throughout the week. I'll probably do a few different styles. And you can always follow me on Instagram to see my progress of my hair. This was the style I chose to do because I am 2-year locked. It was 2 years on December 1st. So yeah, I just wanted to do something different and I like it. Just gonna put on a little necklace or something, and maybe, I don't know, we'll just get it figured out. But I'm really just gonna be in the house today, just gonna make a meal for my family. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps some of you locked sisters out there. Get you some perm rods, get you some flexi rods, and curl your hair up just one time.